Today, the Portland Police Bureau released findings from a recent community survey. The study ranked the Bureau's performance in certain instances and exposed Portlanders' concerns when it comes to policing. Now, the survey was a requirement of the city's settlement agreement with the U.S. Department of Justice. Fox 12's Elizabeth Din is here now live in studio with their findings. Liz?
Yeah, let me break down a bit of this for you, Nora. So a group called DHM Research did this study, and of the 6,500 households asked to take part in it, nearly 1,400 surveys were returned. PPB released 6 of the group's findings, and here's a look at some of them. One finding: the people of Portland view PPB positively when it comes to activities directly related to fighting crime. Another: Portlanders rated PPB's performance lowest, though, on its response to mental health crises in the community. Now, the Bureau did respond by saying it has achieved substantial compliance in the settlement agreement in all areas related to community-based mental health services and crisis intervention from the Department of Justice. PPB goes on to say efforts to improve its response to those in mental health crisis are ongoing. Well, people also express concern that PPB uses more force than necessary whenever dealing with communities of color and those experiencing a mental health crisis. The Bureau says police use force rarely, even in cases involving mental health crisis, adding, for example, the Bureau says in 2018 there were 26,000 calls for service with mental health involved, and police say officers used force less than 0.7% of the time. Lastly, the people of Portland are unsure whether the PPB is taking steps to really improve services, and so the Bureau says there are areas it has improved, as found by the DOJ. PPB says it strives to be a learning organization and to continuously improve. If you do want to read that full report, just head to our website. We've got that at kptv.com. Live tonight in studio, Elizabeth Din, Fox 12 Oregon.